She was running the bingo card. And I always hear her. She goes, I thought I was gonna double it.
Oh my God!
And he comes to me, I can't believe it.
You should have, I wanted to cry last night.
$460. And then she went and spent it all.
Oh, hell no, I wouldn't spend that kind of money on me. No.
And this, I was hearing this.
I mean, if you had it like that, you would. If you had it like that, you would.
I go, Brother Jay,
Anybody
The
would.
highest game you can play is like $90.
If I play poker,
And those are high stakes. You're talking, if you hit a bingo, it's 10 grand.
I would just go big or go home.
Well, I do the second best. So that gives me 5 grand when I hit 4,000
Right.
on the small hits.
That's still pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
And you get a bet. You
and
get
your
a.
odds of getting that are better than they are when you got a big machine. You notice a lot of people don't win on those.
Yeah. Well, you know, if I ever play poker at a table games, I would just play like a high limit table because.
I know you always have done that.
Yeah, you know, I wouldn't play with like $1, $2.
No, of course not.
I want to play 5, 10 no
I know
limit.
you. I know how you gamble.
You know what I mean? Because the people that even just because they, you know, they're playing that high level doesn't mean that they're that good.
Exactly.
They could just be, they just got a lot of money.
Right. That's how I figure about these other people.
Yeah.
Because and then I had another number that was sitting in the board too. The ladies, my girls that I go see, these old ladies,
They hit it.
they go. We just ain't got no luck today, bro. And then they hit it. Her mom hit it. Her mom, who's like 90, hit the $5,000 one.
That's crazy.
I was like, oh my God.
It'll come when you least expect
I
it.
know it will. And I have fun. But you should have seen my heart when I put it to my ass. I swear that's like $30,000. Boom, and then that lady hit it by herself.
That could be you one day.
Let it be me and not at 98.
The luck's changing. It's just gonna happen.
It always does. It always does.
Yeah.
It always does.
Give it some time.
Alright guys, have a good evening.
All right, I love you. Thank you for the food. It's great. I appreciate it. It's so good. We got a steak burrito, a breakfast burrito, and then a classic burrito bowl with the eggs. Iron this out a little bit. Almost ready. Thank you. All right, steak regular, and then a breakfast burrito. And we got a to-go burrito. Burrito in a bowl. cilantro, red sauce, green sauce. Breakfast burrito with steak. Let's go. That's a regular steak burger. salsa. And salsa. Crema. Guacamole. She watches Peppa Pig. She used to. She didn't really like it that much anymore. She likes Bluey. Yeah. All right, we got Cali burrito walking in. Salvo